All right, so I'm trying to do these little mini video series because I have some time to kill when it's raining and stuff. So I got a small project that my son found in his op's front lawn. I didn't know what an op was either. It's his enemy. I don't know. I have no clue. Okay. Either way. So we have this. Well, let's just flip it around so you don't have to look at me. So we have this 40-volt Ryobi push mower, electric. I've never messed with these electric push mowers or electric weeders or lawn equipment or anything. So what we are going to do is, I know I'm not going to buy a battery for this. Yeah, buddy.
Let's link the pictures that I just took to the video.
We can do that. We can do
and
that.
I need you to delete all of the photos when we download it to your laptop.
Okay. This is my son's project. He likes taking apart little things like this, and this is be perfect. He can fix it up for his sister. She mows the backyard, and he's going to start mowing, so this is perfect. We have a lawnmower, but, you know, having 2 lawnmowers, and this is free. So the plan, like I was saying, the plan is I'm not buying a battery for it. I have a little jump starter with a impact drill battery and with jumper wires, and we'll have to figure out a way. And if it does work and power up, then I'll buy an adapter for these Ryobis to a Milwaukee, because that's the kind of batteries that I have. So if it does work, I'll get that adapter. We'll buy that adapter and we'll get this thing to work. But let's see if this will power up with the adapter that I'm talking about. All right, let's check this thing out. We'll take this.
Why did we even need it when you put it back on?
Just check it out, buddy.
Okay.
There's this water.
Yeah, I don't know what it's for.
Oh, the water? It's not for anything.
Oh yeah, I opened that.
You opened that? Okay, does it come off? Here, get out in front of me.
No, it doesn't. See?
It just kind of swings.
Yeah. I wonder what it's for. I wonder what this is for.
This is, I don't know, a key? I guess you gotta have this in there. You gotta have that in there to work.
Okay, anybody that has one of these, tell us how they work. Okay? So, we need help with this.
Alright, so it looks like this is where those batteries go. That's where these batteries go, and you can see there's 3 Oh, whoa. You're checking the depth. He's changing the depth of the blade.
Alright.
Alright, so here, can you hold this up, bud?
One sec.
Here, you gotta, yeah, there you go. Oh. So there's 3 terminals in there that one's gonna be power and one's gonna be ground. So we'll look at some wiring schematics and we'll figure that out. But it looks like right here is a key.
Yeah.
I guess you need that in there so you don't want someone to steal your stuff. So luckily that's in there.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's just a diode.
Yeah, it's a key. It has a key right there.
Or even maybe a fuse.
Let's see. Take it off. Yeah, it's a key. It has a key on it.
Yeah, for sure. All right. I think that's the spot for the spare battery right there.
Okay.
Right there.
Where does the real battery go?
The real battery. Sorry.
Hey.
The real hold this.
Huh.
The real battery goes right there.
Hey. What if we ask the people who we took it from if we can have the battery?
Good, because that'd be too easy, and that wouldn't make for a good video. So we're going
Hey,
to.
hold this.
You want me to hold it up?
Yes.
What are you doing?
No.
That's just to. He's trying to unlock these. Unlock the handle, and he's just messing with stuff. Honestly.
Hey, I'm new to these kinds of lawnmowers. Okay, let's turn this over.
Okay, we're gonna turn it over and we're gonna inspect it first, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you just help me push it? You just help push it. Lift up on the bottom. All right, there you go. All right.
Oh, that's the blade.
Look at that. So there's a blade on it. Blade looks really good too.
We got it.
It needs washed and stuff. It's all plastic, right? That's insane. Did you know they were plastic? I didn't know they were plastic. Now we know they're plastic. Ugh. I think there's a price over here. So you take some pictures. After he takes some pictures, I'll show you the price.
I need to take a picture of that. If you miss this, it
see
will
that?
be in the link of the
It
video.
says $269.99. I don't know where they bought it from, but
The company.
I have no idea what they sell new, but that was the used price on it. I don't know what batteries run. Maybe we'll look that up and we'll link that right here. But after my son's done inspecting it and measuring and
I'm not measuring.
decoding things on this thing, we are going to test the battery. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, so it's the next morning. My son's still asleep. I was thinking about this and doing a little bit more research. So they need 40 volt. They have 40 volt batteries. Okay, so they need close to 40 volts to even start. I'm sure there's a safety switch in the control board. So what I did, and I'll show you guys, is I wired two Milwaukee batteries in series, and let's see if that works. Okay, so I'll show you what I've got going on here. Last night I was trying with my old Makita batteries. They're just dead. I never know if they're working or not, so I decided to use my Milwaukee. They're new, so I found out this is positive, this is negative. So I have the positive running out of the battery connector to the positive side of this Milwaukee battery, and I just used wire, and I just crimped some leads on there that they stick in those wire terminals pretty good. And then I wired this negative to positive to this battery, so because I'm going for a series, because I want these voltages to add up. So they're wired in series, so now they're close to 40 volts. So let's see with it wired, and I got it wired back from the negative to the battery connector. Let's see if that works. And we can't get this thing turned on. We got the batteries good, so we have to push this back, push this. My light come on? Yeah, my light's on, that's good. So So yeah, it works. The blades don't work. We'll have to figure that out, but this thing works. Here. It's on its own power right now, and you can set the speed like this. So I got it all the way turned down, all the way. But it's going on its own power. So we're gonna see what's wrong with these blades, and we'll be back with more. All right, let's get this a little diagnostic on this mower. I can see, so these wires that run up to this switch, this wire is broken. I don't know if that has to do with, I'm not for sure if that has to do with anything, but I am gonna look up a schematic for this mower and see what it needs for the blades to run. We're gonna and we're gonna figure this out. So guess what we just did? I didn't think it'd be that easy. I really didn't. So we fixed this wire. And for now I just put a jumper wire in there. I'll fix it correctly. So we'll fix that correctly with some solder and some wire, but that's just our temporary fix right now. I'll show you this thing run. So all you gotta do is push this back, right? Then push this button. Can you hear that? That's the blade, dude. It's a fully functional mower for free. We had all the parts. All right, let's mow. Did we really just fix that mower? I'm not saying I was a skeptic, but I wasn't for sure. I really thought it was going to end up like everything else my son could take apart and never see the light of day again. I eventually just throw it away. But it works. This is going to work great for my daughter. She mows the back. My son's been mowing. This is perfect. Like, I would never buy an electric mower, but dude, this was free. So why not? Of course, we'll have to put it through the ringer this next summer, but it's good to go now, and I'm pretty happy about it. So if you learned something, I learned something. Build something, you might learn something. Follow along, subscribe. All right, so I'm going to end this. I want to show you the batteries and the adapters that came in, and I'll show you a price for that. I can show you a price for the batteries. I already had them. I didn't buy it for this project, but I'll flash that up here. So I'll also give a total cost and everything at the end. Probably maybe a rough estimate of what it's worth. Okay, got the wrong way, sorry. Got these Milwaukee batteries in there. Okay, I got the adapters in there, and I have the wires ran underneath this whole cover comes off, and I've connected everything under there, and I'll show you guys that it works, and maybe link these Amazon parts and show you how it works. But this is pretty cool. Look at this. Like, it's almost like they're meant to be in here. And then this isn't a Milwaukee ad, but it is, you can get these adapters for any kind of batteries. So if you have a system and you have their batteries, you can use their batteries for stuff like this. I love using it. If the mower will work, let's get the blade to work first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do I do it?
Yeah. Go. Go inside, please.
What?
Go inside, please. 1,